Wow, I have a coin booster by two times, and yeah. So I guess we're gonna just win some Skywars. I only have it for an hour, so yeah. Welcome to this episode. Hello all, whoever you may be. But here we are in Skywars solo. So I'm going to have to rely on my own commentary skills, which I can assure you do not exist. So please don't laugh at me. Oh no. Oh god, not one of these people that break the chests. Get over here, man. This is what you get for breaking the chests. Yep, you can do that. You can do that, man. Just get over here. Bruh. He's healed so much. Unbelievable, man. I cannot believe this. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. That's utter garbage. Yeah, so I mean, you know, I've never done these commentary things before, so I'm gonna have to rely on my own skill. Oh crap, a pyro. And as you may have noticed so far, it is non-existent. It does not exist, man. Like, I have about as much commentating skills as, I don't know. I can't think of a good analogy. Oh, what was that lag spike, man? What was that? What was that? What was that? Get back over here. Get back over here. All these lag spikes. All of these lag spikes, man. Stop it. Stop. Die. That was pretty swag. Let's see how many points I got. Wait. No. 62, baby. Aw, yeah. One that should never be matched again. I mean, honestly, some people get like 100 coins per kill. I mean, I don't know how to do it, but they do it. They do it. It no matter. Okay. Oh. Clutch that. MLB block clutch. Oh my goodness. I mean, honestly, everybody goes with this scout class, so I'm just going to be seeing what's so good about it. Because, I mean, come on. A sharpness 2 diamond axe and speed 2. Oh no, he has speed as well. Get back. Oh, oh, die. Yes. L. GG. L. I love people who rage. It's so endearing when you're the get better. Wow. Well, I find that sort of ironic, the fact that you lost to the person who you want to get better. That must mean that you really suck. But whatever. We must have no fear. Okay, I'm gonna try to, please, don't laugh. Don't laugh! I made it. I made it. I made it. I can't believe this. I can't believe this, man. Die. GG. This class is so overpowered. This is crazy, man. I better make this video good, because, like, honestly, this opportunity only comes ever so often to where you're winning PvP matches, you know. Oh, sorry, my footage was corrupted. I absolutely annihilated that man. You wouldn't believe it. It was too much for the eye to see, so I had to cut that out, unfortunately. If you saw it, then you probably would have died because of all of the glory that was portrayed in those few seconds of gameplay. No. My speed potions. Honestly, besides the pyro, this is the next most overpowered class. Oh, he's gonna come into my base, I see. Oh my goodness, he regenerated so much health. Frick, man. Oh no, he has eggs. Whatever am I going to do? I might just do that. No. Die. Woohoo, good game. Good game. Give me the 15 karma if I don't have my karma. I don't live. My life is over if I don't have my karma. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna break the chests. Considering they're at my own island and I don't need them to restock, I'm just gonna break them. It'll probably work. But not the ones at middle. Breaking the chests at middle is the most scumbaggy thing that you can possibly do. I would not recommend it. 10 out of 10, don't do. Alright. Whoa, man. This is a power. Okay. Alright. This is so powerful, man. Diamond pants. Give me those. Give me those. Give me those. Give me those, man. Come on. If you don't give them to me, then you're gonna have to sacrifice your entire life. Just to me, specifically. Oh, you think that your eggs simply can defeat me? No, they can't. They can't. Frick. In my free time, hold on. In my free time, I like to watch cat videos on YouTube. Don't we all, son? Don't we all? But how about in your free time, you practice actually getting good at Minecraft and not using that class? Because that class, all who use, or the grenade class, should I say, are scumbags. Psalm 69:420. Said right in the Holy Book. Yeah, but I like baseball. I know. I'm super lame. But the Braves, the team that I like, they are, whoa. Oh my god! Well, he's straight lining me. I was just straight lined into oblivion. Okay. Well, anyways, the team that I like, the Atlanta Braves, you know, they are in the National League Championship. So that's fun, because I get to see a team actually win, because in case you didn't realize, let's keep this between you and me. Atlanta isn't necessarily very good at sports, but they're in the National League Championship, so that's pretty good, if I had to say so myself. Alright, okay. Why do I keep on using my scroll wheel? I don't understand. Jitter click, practice my jitter clicking. Where is he? Oh, there he is. You wanna go, man? Yeah, here we go. Oh no, he's a pyro. Not even my W tap. Goodness gracious. Okay. Don't bother about that. Oh, and not to mention, college football team that I like watching. They're doing pretty well this year. There's no championship in sight yet, but they're undefeated, third-ranked team in the country so far. I know, to all of you British people, American football, or of course, we're all brutes, so let's go, man. Oh, God. Bye. It feels good to win. It feels good. It is one of the greatest feelings, in fact. Honestly, I think I'm just going to make this my main class. I know, I'm a hypocrite. I like using the classes which make you look like a total scumbag. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm all about. Okay, perfection, man. If only there was an option, you know, where you could, like, automatically equip, okay, 4. Where you could automatically equip for, say, better armor, so you don't have to, like, go into your inventory and... I know it's not rocket science. Why do I struggle to say such simple things? But that would be an actual really cool option. Maybe, like, a perk in Skywars, like an expensive one, because nothing in life is free. It'd have to cost a pretty penny, but still, it would be an awesome perk for there to be. Let me guess. How much do you bet that this guy's trying to trap me? I bet a lot. I see you, sir. Did you think that I didn't? Well, I do. Don't worry about it, man. Oh my goodness, what is this man doing? Oh my... Oh, okay. GG, I guess. Yeah, so that was Skywars. Tell me what you thought of my commentary skills. I don't think they were too great, but of course it's my first commentary video, and let's keep this between you and me. I'm really trying to get a video out there because my upload schedule isn't necessarily the most consistent of things. I'd say it's decent, but it's not necessarily extremely consistent. I mean, it's not like Technoblade level inconsistent, you know? It's like, we're 3 uploads every year, you know? At least I upload. So, don't take that for granted.